Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Pinterest pins in Snappa. To create Pinterest pins in Snappa, follow these steps. Start by logging into your Snappa account. Pinterest recommends a 2:3 aspect ratio for pins with a common size of 1000 into 1500 pixels. In the main dashboard, scroll down until you see Pinterest pin. Here you can see 1000 pixels by 1500. You can also type the width and the height of the pixel here and create a custom design. You can find various templates from here. Click on it, or you can also create from the scratch. Pinterest pin usually have a bold and eye-catching background. You can add a background by clicking on the background tab here, or you can also upload your own background. Pinterest pins are highly visible and text plays a big role in grabbing attention. To add text, click on the text tab here and you can use the heading. You can also edit the font from here. You can change its alignment, line spacing, line height, and transparency effect. You can change the color by clicking on this button. You can change the color of the shadow by clicking on this button, and you can change the color of the font from this. If you have logo or brand color, add them to your Pinterest pin. You can upload the logo from the graphics tab. Make sure your text is large and legible, as pins are often viewed on mobile device, including keywords or catchy phrase. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on download button in the top right corner. Choose PNG for a high quality image with a transparent background if applicable, or JPG for a standard image. By following these steps, you can easily create professional looking Pinterest pin in Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.